Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily connect your AirPods Pro or regular AirPods to your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus in 2021. So the first thing you want to do is open up the lid of the AirPods Pro and then make sure your iPhone is right next to it. When it is, you'll see not your AirPods Pro. There might be a situation where you see instead of this audio accessory, that's because you're running iOS 12 and iOS 12 doesn't have official AirPods Pro support. Now, as long as you're running iOS 10 or newer, you'll be able to connect your AirPods to AirPods Pro seamlessly, so make sure you are on some sort of recent iOS firmware, although all iPhone 7s and 7 Pluses have come with a minimum of iOS 10. So we see this, we're going to tap on connect, and then we have instructions. First, it says hold button. So with the lid still open, go to the back of the AirPods, and then hold this white button. It's usually in the same place for both AirPods and AirPods Pro, and eventually it should connect. So hold it down until you see that the AirPods Pro have been connected successfully. So usually, you see a white thing right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to tap on skip, not now, don't announce messages, not now, done. And once we press on done, we should see this go away very soon. So finally, we'll tap on connect, and boom, our AirPods Pro or regular AirPods have been connected to our iPhone 7. So if we open up settings and you find Bluetooth, you can see AirPods Pro. If we tap on I, you can change the noise control if you have AirPods Pro, and you have all the settings. So if you don't see this menu, do remember that's because you're on an older iOS firmware, or you have older AirPods. So if you guys enjoyed, if you did, leave a like. It's a very simple video, but if you want some more tips and tricks, make sure you check out my iPhone 7 help playlist in the description down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.